Thank you for downloading the Got Healthy app. This app will allow you to view your medical images, reports, and health records on any smart device. Once you've registered, go to Settings, select your imaging center, in this case, Swankar Pasiri Radiology. Enter your username, your patient portal username, and password, and your results will stream to the app. You can view your results using the little heart at the bottom menu or My Health Records. In this case, let's view an example. View your report. Here's your report, or view your images. In this case, a chest x-ray, and you're done. There are many things you can do with the app besides just viewing your reports and images. You can also share these with your primary care physician and lots more. Stay tuned and stand by. We will create other tutorials as well.